In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Claude AI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the language setting and how to switch Claude's interface into the language you prefer, whether you're using a web browser or the desktop app. First, open Claude in your browser or launch the desktop application. If you're in a browser, make sure you're signed in and looking at the main chat interface. On both the web and desktop versions, the control you need is in the same place, so the process is consistent and quick. Look toward the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon, which could be your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. This menu is where Claude keeps personal preferences and app-level options, so it's the right place to go when you want to tailor how the interface looks and behaves. In the menu that appears, find the Language section. It may be labeled simply Language, and it sits alongside other appearance and preference options. Go ahead and open it. This will reveal a list of languages that Claude's interface can use. Keep in mind, this setting controls the UI elements, things like buttons, labels, and menus, rather than what Claude understands. Claude can still read and respond in many languages regardless of this choice. The language setting is specifically about the interface itself. Now, choose the language you want from the list. As soon as you click your preferred language, the change should take effect automatically. You'll notice the UI refresh as labels and navigation update to your selection without needing to restart the app or reload the page. If your screen doesn't update right away, give it a moment. On rare occasions, a quick manual refresh can help apply the new labels, but usually it's instantaneous. Your existing chats remain exactly the same, and you won't lose any conversation history by changing the interface language. If you ever want to switch back, simply return to the same language section and pick a different option. If the language you're looking for isn't in the list, make sure your app is up to date, and check again later as new language options may be added over time. That's all there is to it. You've opened Claude, accessed your profile menu, selected the language section, and chosen your preferred interface language, with the UI switching automatically to match. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Claude in the language that feels most comfortable for you.